integrate Etsy with SkuVault, clients will need to go to the Channel Accounts page under the Admin tab. They will then select their integration from the drop menu and click Create New Account. The name in SkuVault can be whatever they like, but the shop name must match the shop name that is in Etsy. When the client clicks Get Code, a pop-up will appear to prompt them to log into Etsy. If they have two-step verification on, this will be prompted as well. If the client is already logged in like I am, it will take them straight to this page to allow SkuVault access to their Etsy account. Once they click Allow Access, they will get a verification code to enter in the SkuVault setup. They will then go back to SkuVault and enter the code, and they click the Get Tokens button to populate the token and token secret fields. The order and inventory sync modes both have a 30-minute sync time, while the full inventory sync mode has a 24-hour sync time. The inventory sync mode will go every 30 minutes and update SKUs that have had any changes to them, while the full inventory sync will do an update of all SKUs regardless of activity for the day. The order sync is a one-way sync from Etsy to SkuVault, and the inventory syncs are one-way syncs from SkuVault to Etsy. There are some important limitations to be aware of with this integration. We cannot push a zero quantity to a product on Etsy, so the quantity will stay at 1 until the client goes and marks the item as sold out. We also cannot push quantity to sold out listings because of this. So when a client gets more quantity in stock, what they'll do is go on Etsy, relist the item, and then the sync will continue to run. We also cannot push quantities greater than 999, so if a client has more quantity than that, let's say 1500, we will push 999 until the client gets to below that threshold, and then we will start deducting accordingly. We can also not retrieve canceled orders from Etsy. For more information, visit our portal at support.skuvault.com or email us at support@skuvault.com.